welcome back. We're going to serve up. So, as you'll remember, we were making meatballs a la Clemenza down the pan, a la Godfather. We've got this nicely been simmering away, reducing as they say. We've done our pasta. What we're going to do, have a quick look on this pan. I know it's not terribly interesting at the moment, but it's going to get there. We'll turn it on. Big glug of extra virgin olive oil. In with the pasta. You want a little bit of salt, not much, and you want quite a decent amount of black pepper.
Oh, yum! I've never had like pasta done like this before.
Gonna be good. Right, okay. So over, bring a plate over.
Yep.
Serve up. Now you can do this all sorts of ways. You can stir it into the ragu. You can put it on the side. Everyone's got their own opinion on this. Everyone's going to start arguing, saying, "Oh, you shouldn't have done it like this. You should have."
Are we going to do it where you put the thing in the middle?
We're going to do it in the middle.
Yeah.
We're going to do the classic working class British way.
So great, yama.
We're gonna make a little moat with the meatballs in the middle. And there we have it. We have the meatballs, we have the ragu, we have the pasta, and again, the cookbooks probably mitigate against this, but you can have a bit of parmesan over the top, as much as you want, and jobs are good. What time are we on?
2:12.
Well, since we're only on 2:12, I'm going to chop into a little bit of meatball, pasta, a bit of sauce. Right, up to me. I hope you enjoy this. What do they say on social media? Like and add into the comments, click here, blah, 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 blah. Here we go. That's really nice. I commend this recipe to you. That's really good.
Can I try a bit now about it?
Yeah, of course you can.
Okay, good night everybody.
Yeah, good night everyone. We're going to actually